Bangladesh.
Your money. Yiddy. Mac, I'm gone. A millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time. Cause my seconds, minutes, hours go to the almighty dollar and the almighty power of that chopper. Sister, brother, son, daughter, father, motherfucker, copper. Got the Maserati dancing on the bridge, pussy poppin', tell the coppers, ha 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 ha. You can't catch them, you can't stop them. I go by them goon rules. If you can't beat them, then you pop them. You can't man them, then you mop them. You can't stand them, then you drop them. You pop them, cause we pop them like Orville Redenbacher. Yeah, motherfucker, I'm ill.
Wayne, I'm gone and a millionaire with them young money millionaires. Think you're Willie, Papa Willie in air. Mac Millie, the vanilli's in here. I'm a rascal, don't get wop. I get grad school, don't get top. I get tassel, pass you with a flow. You can never put a break on. I break on anything a nigga take on. Feel the napalm from a trait on. Straight long, throw a nigga like a Macon. The Macons with a bass gone, the bass blown, like the pistons on that chopper. Comma, cops, I'm kamikaze. Drive by rock with them Obamas. Illy in a mind, really with a nine. Millie when I rhyme, silly anytime. Find chili, giddy on a run, shitty on a dime, penny on a line. Pennies in me, any guineas, all the bigger than a mini. Every mind, I'm illy, and it's all off GPs and a PG. Walk by B, beat me the freak. Talk I beat feet on a G. She talk by Weezy F. We be the best, truly too deaf, truly the best. You be confess, you be the ref. Excuse me, I left.
Okay, I'm a millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire. What y'all really wanna know? Y'all don't really wanna do it. If hip hop is dead, I am the environment fluid. And I don't care who it be, I'm stepping to it. Notice I say it, cause to me, it ain't shit. Get it? Coming with your like trick, call me on my sidekick. Never answer when it's private. Man, I hate a shy chick. Don't you hate a shy chick? I had her play the shy chick and she ain't shy no more. She changed her name to my chick. Yeah, boy, that's my girl. And she pops excellent up in Wayne's World. Totally, dude, you should see their faces when they see that this robot can move. And they say, yeah, and they go, that's right. I'm a millionaire, I'm a young money, cash money, fast money, slow money, move money, never knew money. What is that? Who is that? I never heard of it. I will take your picture and make a rest in peace shirt of it. Someone should take this beat and make a rest in peace shirt of it, because I killed it. Now don't tell no one you heard of me. It's like the beat was screaming murder me, and I'm a murderer, so I murdered it. And you rappers is what I eat, and I'll make sure of it. And he who don't believe, I'll make dessert of him. Sherbert him, I mean shame on him. I heard Carter, father of this rap thing. This is my race, gone take a lap, man. Weezy baby's nursery, not gone.